Hi, Trish, leisureLifestyle.com and trishandchrisonline.com, and I want to take you on a bit of a walk because I want to really share with you a bit of a reality check when it comes to numbers and when it comes to investing in a business and investing in real estate. So firstly, you can see the house behind me. This house cost $45,000 to purchase, which was incredibly undervalued. It's all about finding these real estate transactions. It's all in the timing, the right timing, and the ability to be able to purchase pretty much immediately once your offer has been accepted. So as you can see behind me, this was, cost to buy $45,000, rehab $20,000, $25,000, brand new roof. No new windows throughout, but new flooring and painted throughout. So some real basic rehab to it, but also a brand new roof. Then if you have a look at the house next door as well, my builder's there at the moment, as you can see. That house next door, I'll sort of take a bit of a walk here, a bit further up. This house to purchase, $55,000. And more on the rehab because I'm actually staying in that house, so 30-odd thousand on the rehab, and a lot more done to it. That one's a 2-bedroom house but a double garage. This one's a 3-bedroomed house but a single garage. And you can see, there's a lot of similarities in both houses, but the most important thing are the numbers. So both these houses would rent out at about $800 US per month. So really good rents. Compared to back home in Australia, these are fantastic returns on your investment. So you're looking at about a 13% gross annual return on both these investments. And this cash flow would come into your bank accounts, consistently month after month after month. So I want to compare this now to the online business world. And I think that if you can do both strategies, I think it's just an incredible investment/business model to be able to do. So when looking at a business strategy, a bit like what Chris and I have been doing with Trish and Chris Online and leisureLifestyle.com, the numbers are incredible. In other words, we last month got a 30% gross return. So you just have to look at the comparisons, and the investment in the online business was half of this investment. So a 30% gross return per month, well, not per month, but for last month. That can change. So the downside to running and operating an online business is that you just don't know from one month to the next what your projected sales are going, what your actual sales are going to be. You can project them, but whether or not you achieve them is really up to you and your business model and what you actually do. So, returns can vary. That's the difference between an online business model and, say, a real estate investment strategy that you've got here in front of you. So, the upside to real estate is that from month to month to month that cash flow or that money is actually going to be coming into your bank account each and every month, and therefore the returns are lower. However, I just think that the risk on that return or the risk on that investment is incredibly low when it comes to an online business because your investment outlay is a lot lower as well. So I hope I've sort of covered the realities of some of these numbers and how an investment model in real estate stacks up to a business model. They are completely different. With real estate too, you tend to set and forget a little bit. So once this house, as you can see behind me, is done, you've got tenants in that property and it's renting, it's pretty much set and forget. So with an online business, you're actually putting in those active hours each week to ensure that you're active and you're out there and you're marketing and you're getting those returns each and every month, but not guaranteed. And none of this is guaranteed. Okay, so this is just really sharing my experiences, my story, our story from trishandchrisonline.com And results obviously can vary from person to person, strategy to strategy. But yeah, I just wanted to really check in with you and show you the reality of numbers. Trish, Facebook Live, and I will be checking in again with you tomorrow. It's Independence Day here in America, so we'll be heading on out for some fun stuff a little bit later, and check in with you again very soon. Bye for now.